How's it going, everyone? Let's do an update on Bull. This is one of my most highest valued alerts that I've done in the Discord, and I can just see this keep going up, guys. I really can. If we look at the weekly chart here, I am at the beach, so I do not have my whole setup. I'm doing this on my laptop, but still, it's all the same thing here. If you look at my strategy here, it is going perfectly planned here. We made an alert before on the daily chart here. You can see when we hit this EMA 20. Let me just kind of discuss what we're doing here. Usually when you skip EMAs, for example, when price hit this upper Keltner channel on Bull, we went to a high of almost $80, guys. And now we're sitting at literally $16. It's pretty low. So, but when I seen price skip these EMAs, these are what these lines are. When price is above the EMAs, it's in an uptrend. So we look for price to come back. I don't want to buy Webull when it's way up here at this upper Keltner channel, which is at this red band. That means it is resistance, and price will have to revert to the mean, and that's what we did. So I did like Webull down here at this EMA 20. I love the 20 and the 50. You're going to see in this video why I love it. But as you can see from this 20 here, you guys don't notice, but look at this awesome dead cat bounce, and I think we're going to get a much more bigger dead cat bounce at the area we're at right here. But we got a 52% gain. Alerted in the Discord, all posted here. You guys know what I do here. I post my swing trade alerts. I've been pounding this thing, right? You know, here's the Bull here, nice dead cat bounce, and we've just been talking about it a lot of times, right? So if you're not in the Discord, you know about that now. It's in the link is in my YouTube comments below if you do want to join. But as you can see right here, we can go to different time frames. You know, you can look at a weekly time frame and you can understand this is a more of a longer term hold or something you can feel more comfortable about. Weekly isn't an uptrend. All the EMAs are are above price. Or what I like to look for, guys, is this EMA 50. This is this light blue band. Now, remember when I said I love the 20? Well, we went back down to this 20, which is at the $13 range, and this EMA 50 is at that 12. So all in here is what you consider the buy zone. In my honest opinion, you know, this all right here is a massive buy opportunity for Webull, generational buy, and you can already see on a weekly chart we're getting like a hammer looking candle. So this, I think, is the bottom. Next thing you can know is we hit this strong support here. You know, you see right in here, you know, you had this strong support here at this upper body of a candle here, somewhere in there. So I think this is a great opportunity. You had this high of this wick here, body here, we're acting as a major support. So I didn't get down to this weekly EMA 50, but I am still heavily invested in this, and I think this is going to make a massive move. And then here's the monthly chart right here. Everything is in an uptrend. So you see how you can use higher time frames. I love the weekly candle. It gives me a higher confluence of interest and be like, hey, if I have to hold this for some time, no big deal. I'm a swing trader. I can hold this for a week, 2 weeks, a month, as long as I know that the general thesis, you know, it's in an uptrend. And I told a lot of people, sell covered calls. If you guys want to learn how I sell covered calls, join the Discord too. I have an amazing video about that right here, cover calls for beginners. So basically what happens is I win if Webull goes down, and I win if Webull goes up. So I sold cover calls at the 17.5 strike. So if you look at this, these cover calls here, I sold the 16 May right up in here at the 17.5. I believe is either that one or the next one, I believe. But you can see, as you know, let's say you wanted to do that, right? You sell cover calls here. You go to the 16 May, and let's say you want to sell that 17.5, you can decrease your average by $1.20. So if you bought Webull at at $16, well, now the premium you sell, you now have Webull 1.20 minus your $16 average because you collect that premium. And if Webull goes above 17.5 by your expiration of 16 May, well, it's not that bad because now you have to sell all your shares at 17.5, which is amazing gain, and you collected the premium. You get two massive gains just by that. But here's the safe alternative. What if Webull just goes down or consolidates? Then you just keep collecting the premium. You're going to want to watch that video. Watch the how to sell cover calls video. You're not going to be freaking out. I know a lot of people freak out. Well, Webull's not doing anything. It's been stagnant for a week, or that's fine. We can't predict exactly when it's going to go up, but I can guarantee you that this is a massive demand zone, and a lot of people are going to miss out on this monster move Webull has. This is generation buy opportunities. We went from a high of $80 and we went all the way back down to, we hit a low of like $13, 13-ish area. I mean, what more can you want here? This is just absolutely awesome. Looking at candlestick patterns, we have the massive support zone right here on 328. We have this nice demand zone. We have a long wick on the weekly. I'm loving this, guys. I really do. I think this is going to be a great area. So I just wanted to just do another recap. We made bank on that last move and made up a 50% return. I think we're due for another 50%, if not more, guys. If you guys want to join the Discord, you guys are more than welcome to do it. I'm not going to charge an outrageous fee. I think honestly, we just vibe out really well, using simple strategies of how to find the trend, look for higher quality stocks, look for companies that have lots of analyst coverage, and that's what I'm going to be looking for, right? If you want to join the Discord, click the link down below in YouTube comments below, and in the description it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to become a member, all you have to do is hit how to subscribe and hit day trade alerts. It is going to be very simple to join. You're going to want to join my day trading service too, because I sell credit spreads every day and we make money every single day. And what I do is I reinvest that into higher quality stocks like Webull. So I make money every day trading, and my swing trading is just on there. Either I'm doing covered calls and I'm just making slower income doing that. But this is an amazing company, guys. That's why I've been just focusing on that. If you're in the Discord, I try to focus on 1 to 2 stocks a week, and I look for those crucial areas, and I try to look for an option chain, and so I can do those cover calls. But definitely join the Day and Swing Trading Plus, because you're going to love my day trading service too. If you guys liked a little a lot of this, my day trading service is my highest value, and I have an over 90% win ratio doing it. I think you guys are going to love it. All you have to do is go over here. You can look at the server shop here. Day and Swing Trading Plus is only $12 to have access to everything. This is probably the cheapest Discord out there, is because I want everyone to try it. Just give it a try. Put your feet in the water here. Trust me, I promise you, you're going to have so much education. The community alone is worth it. And if you subscribe on your computer, it's only $12 a month. And if you have an Android, you will have to use your computer to subscribe. But I tell everyone how to do that and how to subscribe. But all you do is hit day trade alerts, and it's $12 a month. You lock in your lifetime discount. Now, guys, I don't know how high Webull is going to go, but I have my cover calls in there at 17.5. We're at 16 right now, and I think this is off to the races. I'm buying. If it comes back anywhere near that $12 to $13 range, I'm in. All right, I'm buying more shares. I think this is an amazing company. All right, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out. Make sure you subscribe, share it to your friends, and let's make some bank next week. All right, guys, and I'll see you guys later.